Welcome back to my channel. I'm Curly91, and if this is your first time, welcome to Curls and Inspiration. I hope you find something on my channel that will help you with your hair journey and that you consider to subscribe. So, welcome to the family. So today I thought we'd do something completely different on this channel, and it may help you if you actually want to start your own YouTube channel and you're looking into starting your own YouTube channel and you don't know where to start. So today I'm going to be showing you my YouTube filming setup. Okay, so let's just get into it. So before we get into all of what I have set up to actually film my videos, I just wanted to run through just some of the equipment that I actually have with you, and I will be putting a link for every single thing that I've shown you in this video, minus the mirrors, because, well, I didn't buy them online and I can't remember where I bought them. So obviously, I'm going to be going through lighting with you. Especially lighting with you. I'm going to show you what my desktop setup looks like, what my drawer set looks like to make things accessible to me when I'm actually filming a video. And I'm going to be showing you what I actually film with, and I am filming with right now, which is my phone. And if you're surprised at that, let me know down below, because I've had people tell me they didn't know it was with my phone. I'm looking to get a new camera soon, but for now, and since I've started my channel, I've used my phone. And I'll probably put a video on how to do YouTube with your phone. And once I do, I'll put it somewhere here and I'll put it down in the description. But let's just get into this video. Okay. Okay, y'all, so this is what my setup looks like, right? So I have these like desk drawers that I got from Michael's. It's like a it's an IKEA dupe that I did, and then the tabletop I just got a white plank from, I think it was either Home Depot or Lowe's. I got them to chop it up to the length I wanted, and then pasted it on top of the two drawer sets. And then you can see my tabletop. I have everything on here. Nail polish, lipstick, lip balm, makeup, everything is on here. Perfume. And then I DIY'd those small little shelves over here where you see I have like my lotion or my my sprays right here. Like a friend of mine and I, we DIY'd those shelves on the side. So in front of me there's a ring light, and this ring light has a phone holder because I actually use my phone to film, right? And so I can put it on for you. It's just a little blinding when I put it on. So this is what it looks like in front of me. And then I think I got this. So this is the NEEWER ring light. I got this sometime in 2018. I'll put a link down below. I got this off of Amazon. And then there's another light on top of the mirror, right? And I think I got these either off Amazon or eBay, but I don't use these lights very often. I use these lights sometimes when I'm filming during the day because I need more light during the day to combat the light that's coming from behind me in the window. So that's when I may use these, but I don't use them very often. And then as you can see behind me, behind the ring light, there's a mirror so I can actually see myself when I'm doing something. I can't see myself in the phone, but I also have a mirror here. And then I have a mirror on the table to get a closer look of things here. If you're still watching this video, then why don't you go ahead and like it, comment, and consider to subscribe. Now, let's get back into the video. And then as you can see, like I have these jars. They just have like accessories. So this one has beads. This one has like clips for hair. This one has like a bunch of pins or hair pins and clips. And then this one has bubblers, like the cute little kid bubblers, because I kind of like those. Of course, I have my spray bottle here, and my oil here, and then my signature mug here. And then if you look more at this, the drawers right here have hair stuff, and here has some hair stuff, but a lot of miscellaneous like face stuff and whatnot. So if I open this drawer, so I have everything that I need for my videos, right? This drawer is full of like my detangling brushes, some more like clips and accessories that I need, a mirror just in case I need more help seeing the back of my head. In here has like a bunch of tools, so you can see like I have like a lot of tools that I've used in my videos in here. In here I have more tools. You can see that. So at the bottom of that is my hair drawer. So I have like some extensions and some other like ponytail stuff that I've done before. And then down here I have like tools that I use, or like I don't use these very often, but I have a drawer for like heat tools down here, or even like my braiding tools down here, anything that's electric. But I don't use those very often. But I do have like this little thing right here for the ones that I do use often, and I really use my blow dryer often, so that's what's in here, as you can see, with my diffuser. And then this is where I sit. So my towel for when I'm doing like a video with my hair wet, which is usually most of the times. And then I have this little chair, right? And I wanted a chair that didn't have much of a back, so there's that. I'll put the link for this. I think I got this one off of eBay or Amazon, one or the other, but I'll put the link for that down in the description also. And this chair is also a swivel chair. As you can see, it doesn't have a back, which makes it great for when I want to show the back of a hairstyle or anything like that. Okay, it's easy. Oh, I didn't talk about these. So I have these like desktop umbrella-ish lights, and these are very convenient for me, but I thought lighting the sides of my face would be good with these lights. And I got ones that were tabletop, because I didn't want them all the way to the ground where I'd kick them and lights would break. And having it on the table and on the tabletop is a lot more secure for me. I feel a lot more secure having them on the tabletops, so that's why I got these. I'll definitely put a link for them. So I have showed you what my setup looks like, and as I said, I'll link everything down below in the description of what it is that I have in my setup. So I just wanted to let you know some things. As you can see, like I have a lot of lights, and it may seem a little bit excessive, but I think one of the key things to having good video quality is lighting. I think you can have a camera that's not that great, like when you're using your phone camera, front camera, if you're using the front camera, may not be that great, but with good lighting, it looks better. The video quality will look better. So if you don't have a great camera, you want to up your lighting quality so that the video looks better. And I think that's one of the main keys to having a good video. The second thing is you don't need all these lights to start. Like, you can just have the ring light, which is what I have in front of me. And usually that's good, especially like if you're in a small space, the ring light works well and should work well. Like, this is how the video looks when I take out my side lights. And this is just the ring light alone, right? And note well, it's daytime, so it looks a lot better at night. And this is what the video quality looks like with the lights. Now, there is a slight difference. I think it looks a little better with the lights on the side, but you can definitely do it with the ring light. At night, it's a lot better. Like, having these lights on the side at night, so much better. And this is how the video looks with just the lights on the side of me. So I'm going to take out the ring light, and this is what it looks like with just the lights on the side of me. So it all depends on what you like. I don't think this is enough lighting. I think I need more. So that's why I have the ring light in front of me. But it's all dependent on you. You don't have to have all these lights right away. You can start with a ring light and then start adding lights to the side, or start adding lights to the back, or whatever that works for you, okay? Don't stress yourself out. Okay, guys, this is all I have for you today. I hope this video gave you some ideas for your filming setup. If you're thinking about doing YouTube or other tutorials, I hope it gave you some ideas of like lighting that you can consider for your YouTube videos or for your filming videos. And I hope that it helps you somehow in your journey in starting a YouTube channel. So I will probably upload a video on how I use my iPhone to film and how I edit my videos. I will probably do that. So look out for that. When I do, I will link it somewhere up here and down in the description. But that's all I have for you today. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're alerted every single time that I upload a video. Bye.